This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the Moto G 5G off and removing the SIM tray so nothing shorts. Next, heat the back edges until adhesive softens. Aim for about 60 to 70 degrees Celsius. You want adhesive pliable, not burning hot. Once done, place a suction cup and a thin pick at a corner and gently pry. Keep steady pressure and slide tools incrementally around the frame. Make sure to pause if resistance spikes and reheat small sections rather than forcing a snap. With the back removed, take out the mid-frame screws and lift the module, exposing the battery and display connectors. Organize screws by position to avoid mistakes later. Critically, disconnect the battery first so you can safely work on the display flex. Then detach the display connector and any shielding plates. Heat the front edges to loosen the display adhesive and use thin picks to separate the glass from the chassis, working slowly from the highest gap. New screens fit only one way, so note orientation as you remove it. Fit the replacement screen aligned to the frame, press the flex into its socket and reattach any shielding, then reconnect the battery so you can test before sealing. Power the phone on and confirm touch responsiveness, display brightness, front and rear cameras, and proximity sensor. This step saves disassembly if connectors are loose. Once tests pass, power off, apply fresh adhesive strips, and reassemble in reverse. If touch fails after assembly, reopen and reseat the display flex. A dirty or misaligned connector is the most common issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.